To get started, undo the side compression latches. If the lid is having issues opening, it is likely pressurized. Open the front key cover to release the pressure. Locate and remove the battery cover. Pull out the battery snap and connect a 9-volt alkaline battery. Be sure to place a ribbon underneath the battery. This will make it easier to remove the battery in the future. When the battery is snapped into place, you will hear a welcome tone and the keypad will light up. If the keypad is flashing, then your battery is likely low. Replace the battery with a brand new one. Let's program your Mastecode. Before program, let's cover a few code requirements. Your code can be a minimum of 4 digits or as long as 8 digits. 2 keys cannot be pressed at the same time. Programming a new code will overwrite your previous code. Tap the lock pad to wake the unit up. Press and hold program button till all keys light up red. Enter your new Mastecode. Press and hold the program button a second time until all keys light up red. Enter your Mastecode a second time. Press and hold the program button a third and final time until the status LED flashes green. This completes the programming of a new Mastecode. If the keys time out during programming, you will need to start over. Repeat as needed to change Mastecode. To lock LifePod, press and hold the lock pad icon until the status LED flashes green, indicating that the LifePod has been locked. A manual key cannot lock LifePod. The keys are provided to unlock LifePod in the event the battery dies. You can unlock LifePod a couple different ways, using the Mastecode, manual key, and the biometric scanner depending on the model. To unlock using the Mastecode, tap the lock pad icon to wake the unit up, then enter your Mastecode. To unlock using the manual key, locate the key cover, lift the cover, then insert and rotate the key. If the anti-picking feature is enabled, the backup keys cannot open LifePod. To unlock using the biometric scanner, simply scan an authorized fingerprint. Your biometric LifePod 2.0 can store 20 unique fingerprint IDs. The first and second fingerprints will be recognized as administrative fingerprints and will be used to authorize additional users 3 to 20. Let's enroll the first 2 prints in the lockbox. Before programming, let's cover a few tips. Place the core of the fingerprint flat over the center of the scanner. This allows the scanner to read where most of the fingerprint detail is located. Rotate your finger slightly between registration scans to store fingerprint variations for increased accuracy. If you are experiencing a low success rate, delete the fingerprints on LifePod and start over. Tap the lock pad to wake the unit up. Quickly tap the program button. When the 1 key starts blinking, place your finger for scan 1, 2, 3, and 4. This completes the enrollment for the first admin print. With both admin prints enrolled, you can enroll additional users. The lockbox can store up to 20 different fingerprints. Tap the lock pad to wake the unit up. Quickly tap the program button. When the keypad is flashing red, you need to scan an admin print. Now when the 1 key starts blinking, place your new print for scan 1, 2, 3, and 4. This completes the enrollment for a new user. Repeat these steps to enroll additional prints. Troubleshooting. If you are having difficulty with your print, program the same fingerprint 4 or 5 times. You have 20 slots available for programming, and you can also try your thumb as it has more surface area to read.